Hey guys, you're here with Miss Ashley for another science experiment. Today's science experiment is going to be easy rainbow Skittles. So you're going to want to have a plate. You're going to want to grab some Skittles. I put them in a little container to grab easily, and some warm water. So what you're going to do is grab a plate with sort of a slope to it. Put your Skittles all around. You can put them in patterns. You can put all the same color on one side. And we're just gonna put them around the edge of the plate where it meets sort of in the middle. Now, I'm not really doing a pattern. I'm just kind of tossing them on here. And you're going to want to make sure you have enough. So if someone does go out at your home, make sure they grab a big bag. Don't leave any holes in your circle. All right. So as you can see, the Skittles are all around the plate. Now we're gonna take our warm water. It could be hot water, it just needs to be tap water. There's no really amount of water that you need to put in, but slowly do this so that you don't move the Skittles off of where they are laying. And you're going to wanna just pour it slowly. And then just wait a couple seconds, like 30 seconds. So I'm actually gonna move the camera to show you what happened when I poured the water on one of the Skittles. Where is it? Right here. You see that when I poured the water on one of the Skittles, the coating of the Skittle started to come off. And you can actually see that it's starting to make a rainbow. So the longer that it sits, the more your rainbow will come out. That's really, really cool. Now, I challenge you to try it with another type of sugary candy. Do the same thing, put it around the plate. Get warm water. Hot water is preferred. My spigot actually does really hot water, so that's what I used. And let's show a closer look of what truly happens. Look at that. How cool is that? Now, since this is a clear plate, maybe I can master picking up the plate and showing you that the bottom of the Skittles are actually white, or maybe I could just pick one up. So this was the bottom of the Skittle that was on the plate, and now there's no more sugary coating on it. So this is what happens when you combine warm water and sugary candies. It melts. The warm water melts the sugar right off the candy. I hope that you had fun watching. I hope you tried at home. I hope you're staying safe. And tune in for more with Miss Gail, Miss Jackie, and Mr. Laurent. See you later.